Hi guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can save our time when typing the same sentence over and over again. So let's get started. First, we need to install the application called aText, which is available on the Microsoft Store. This application comes with both free and premium version. You can subscribe for premium if you want. As you can see, I have installed this application. Now let's explore it a bit. Actually, this application allows us to abbreviate the words or sentences so that we will not have to type the whole sentence again and again. By doing this, we will be able to save a lot of time while typing. As you can see that I am abbreviating the thank you with TY. Now when you write T and Y on Notepad or anywhere else, this application will replace it with the full sentence. Here are some more examples of abbreviation for full sentences. You can add as many abbreviations according to your need and convenience. Let me know your thoughts about this application in the comments section, whether you find it useful or not. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.